Intro music fades in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great today. Let's dive straight into today's trading signals for West Texas Intermediate crude oil, also known as USOIL. Grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. As of July 3, 2025, USOIL is trading at around $65.50 per barrel. But what's going on in the market? Well, right now we're seeing a bearish trend. This means prices are likely to drop. Analysts are concerned about increased production from OPEC Plus and fears about global demand. So brace yourselves. It looks like prices might decline even further in the short term. Now, let's talk about the expected price range for today. Given this bearish sentiment, we can expect USOIL to trade somewhere between $64 and $65.50 per barrel. Keeping an eye on this range is crucial. So, where should you enter the market? We suggest considering a short position around $65 per barrel. This could be a great entry point, given the current conditions. If you manage to get in around this price, what's next? Here's the exit strategy. We're targeting an exit at about $64 per barrel. This aligns nicely with the expected price movement. Remember, trading is all about strategy and timing. Now let's touch on our take profit and stop loss levels. For your take profit, set it at $64. This will help you capture potential gains as the price moves down. On the other hand, to protect yourself, place a stop loss at $65.50. This way, if the market takes a turn against you, your losses will be limited. Looking a bit further ahead, the medium-term outlook doesn't seem too bright either. The bearish trend is likely to stick around for the next few days, and we might see USOIL testing some lower support levels. That said, markets can change quickly, so it's important to keep monitoring the situation. Now let's break down some key support and resistance levels. For support, watch out for $64.0 and $63.50 per barrel. On the upside, resistance levels are at $65 and $65.50 per barrel. These levels will help guide your trading decisions. Before we wrap up, I just want to remind you that trading involves significant risk. Always do thorough research and consider talking to a financial advisor if you're unsure. And hey, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're bringing you daily trading signals, so you won't want to miss out. Thanks for tuning in today. Good luck with your trades, and may the markets be ever in your favor. Outro music fades out.